Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue from where we stopped in our last video. You remember, we are on the process of making money online. I already explained the first thing that you need to have, which is the something of value. It could be either a skill, it could be either a knowledge, a product that you are selling, or a business that you are into that you don't know how to monetize that particular thing. You see, all those things that you have presently, they are something of value that you can offer. But your problem is, how can I sell that thing to the public? Now, for you to be able to sell that thing to the public, the second process that you need to follow is to learn the strategies of selling that thing. Like I said in my previous video, the strategies for selling it are: the number one is the social media content marketing skill, the copywriting skill, and then the closing skill. You see, these three skills are very important because if you do not have this skill, a lot of people, a lot of business owners, most importantly, they jump from having something of value, maybe because they have lot or packs of products in their shop, or they have lot of things that they want to sell. Instead of them to follow truly, what did they do? They jump to running adverts. And you remember what I said the other time? I showed you one thing we call ad copy. You cannot understand ad copy if you don't have copywriting skill. You cannot be running adverts if you don't know your target audience. You cannot be running adverts if you don't know how to close your people that will be coming from the adverts. You cannot be running adverts when your profile is not okay. You cannot be running adverts when you don't know how to sell, when you don't even understand what lead generation is all about. So think about it. There are things that you don't know that is affecting you not to make the money that you are expected to make. So a lot of people jump online. They jump, and I'm not blaming anybody for this, but because you don't understand the process, that is why you just jump thinking that is what you needed. That is not what you need. Immediately you have something of value, just like the way you have it, you that are currently watching my video, just like the way you have that something of value presently. Immediately you have something of value that you can offer. Probably you are a graphic designer, or you are a video editor, or you have a product that you are selling, or you are into real estate business, or you are into any business whatsoever. The next thing for you is to learn the strategies of selling it. And for you to be able to understand the strategies of selling it, you need to have social media content marketing skill, you need to have copywriting skill, and you need to learn this closing skill. Let me explain the reason why all these skills are very, very important for you to have, because it is inside these three skills that I am showing you, that is where a lot of strategies of selling online are embedded. A lot of people are selling you some things about how to sell online, but they are bringing it out from this skill. When you buy one, let's assume a skill for social media content marketing has about 10 modules. 10 modules in the skill. Then they will just sell you one module out of the skill. And you will buy it. When you use it for a while, it will not work again. Why? Because you don't understand the complete skill. You don't know what you are doing. So please, the three skills are very important for you to understand. If you truly online, that's why I tell people that online is not about rushing. You don't need to rush to get there. You need to take your time, learn the required thing, and continuously enjoy your life throughout the end of time. So now, the first skill is social media content marketing skill. And why is this skill going to be helping you to know how to sell or to have a lot of strategies of selling? The first thing is that you remember you want to be selling on social media, right? So for you to sell anything, the first thing you need to do is to learn this social media content marketing. And the reason is that, number one, it's going to allow you to know how to set up your profile professionally. Go and check everybody that is running advert on Facebook. Go and check anybody that is running advert on Instagram. Check their profile. You will see them that they have a professional picture, and they understand what they are doing because they've passed through this skill. They've set up their profile professionally. How are you going to be understanding how to set up your profile professionally? It is only when you learn this particular skill called social media content marketing skill, you will understand. There is another thing online we call KLT. You see, if you do not understand social media content marketing skill, you can never understand KLT. And if you don't build your KLT online, to make money online is still going to be a little bit difficult for you. You see, this skill will allow you to build your KLT so that you can position yourself as an authority on that particular niche. What do we call niche? The niche that you have online. So if you want to understand what niche is all about, then you need to understand the social media content marketing skill. You need to learn it. Take your time in learning it, because when you are learning this skill, you'll be understanding those strategies. Oh, okay, these are the things that I need. You will first learn it, you acquire it first. Then you see yourself growing. You see yourself growing to where you want to go. So what is the meaning of that KLT? K simply means know. L means like. And then the T means trust. If you don't have these three things, people can never pay you 5 naira online. And for you to be able to have this thing, you need to learn social media content marketing skill, because that is where they will explain how to build that particular thing for you. And then another thing this social media content marketing skill is going to be doing for you is to allow you to understand how to run Facebook and Instagram ad. I hope you can see them now. All those people running ads, you don't see they don't pass through this level now. they've understood it. Some people did not pass through this level. They just went ahead to go and buy advert course. When you just jump to go and buy ad course, you can see say now one part you only buy. And if you buy one part, you have omitted a lot of things. It will not work for you. Believe me, it will not work for you. If it works for you for 1 month, the 9 months remaining, you no go see anything online. Do this thing accordingly, then continuously make your money on this online space. So that is the third thing that this skill is going to be doing for you. Another thing the skill is going to be doing for you is that it's going to allow you to know how to structure, market your content basically on what you offer, irrespective of anything you are selling. When you learn this social media content marketing skill, it will allow you to know how to structure your content. Will I be posting 3 times in a day? Will I be posting 2 times in a day? What type of content should I even be posting that will attract my target audience? What is the meaning of target audience? I'm still going to be explaining the skill that covers that one for you. But this particular skill will allow you to know how to structure your content to your target audience. Because again, if you don't know your target audience, you can never make money online. If you continue to sell to your friends and your family, that is not real money. You are just making little money. But when you know how to sell to strangers, people that don't know you before, just like the way you that you are currently watching this video, you don't know me before, but in one way or the other, you've actually paid me. You can see that you don't know me and you are paying me. Why? Because I've been able to learn all these things. I've built them over time. If you want to make money as well, you need to learn this social media content marketing skill and build yourself to over time. You will make the money. That's why I tell people, don't rush. There is nothing like quick money. You cannot make quick money if you want to make real money. You need to follow the process accordingly. So after that time, another thing this skill is going to be doing for you, it will allow you to study and understand what your customer need so that you can offer them. You know, you've been posting content. You've been posting content, you'll be able to see the one that people are reacting with. People will be reaching out to you, this and that. Then you can understand how to give them what they want. And then another one, there are a lot more that you need to understand in social media content marketing skill. When you learn the skill, I don't want to waste too much of your time at all. When you learn the skill, you are going to understand much more about the strategies of selling to people online. That is the first skill that you need to know under the strategies of selling. The second skill is what? I call it copywriting skill. You see, this copywriting skill is very, very important for you. Majorly in Nigeria, all our coaches make us think that when you just learn copywriting skill, you continue to go and look for clients to work for. Please, you remember I said something the other time. When I have my article writing skill, I was working for clients. I was earning directly from clients. But you remember what I said again. Presently, to get clients is difficult because a lot of people have acquired that skill and they are looking for that same client. And the limited clients that we have cannot serve everybody. That means you need to sell your skill to the public. When you sell your knowledge or your product to the public, you will even see clients from the public. Instead of you focusing on that client alone, when you sell to the public, you will get more people. So that is one of the reasons why I said this particular skill is going to be helping you. So a lot of coaches in Nigeria make us think that when you just learn copywriting skill, you go and sell to the client only. Please and please, take note of this today. Copywriting skill is one of the most important skills that you need online. Why did I say that? Because this particular skill will support your marketing and advertising skill. And that was what led us to that particular ad copy you saw the other time. You see that person was advertising on Facebook. But what happened? Before the person can advertise successfully, the person wrote ad copy. The knowledge that the person used to write the ad copy is through the knowledge of this copywriting skill. Because without copywriting skill, advertising and marketing is not complete. Because it is copywriting skill that allows you to know how to make people to definitely buy that particular thing that you are advertising. So let's see one of the major reasons why you need to have this copywriting skill. Number one is that, so the number one reason why you need to learn it is that it's going to teach you how to identify, to know, and to understand your target audience. Before you can sell anything online, you can see that person that was running advert on Facebook the other time, before the person can channel the ad to you, it was because the person already know that you are in need. You also want to learn how to make money online, or probably how to learn YouTube, or probably how to learn anything. That is why the ad is targeting you. So irrespective of anything you sell online, whether you are selling a product, you want to sell your knowledge, you want to sell your skill, or you want to sell anything, whether you are into business, real estate business, and you don't know how to target audience, you don't know your target audience, this particular skill will break it down for you, how to know your target audience, how to identify them, and how to even bring them to you to come and buy anything you are selling. That is one of the first things that this particular copywriting skill is going to be doing for you. So you can see there are a lot of things that you need to learn with that particular something of value that you have. If you just have that something of value, you cannot sell it to anybody. You need to learn how to sell it. And for you to learn how to sell it, these skills that I am listing, that I am explaining, is very important for you to learn. And that is it, copywriting skill. So the second thing is that this skill will allow you to know how to speak directly to their emotion using some copywriting formula. So we have some copywriting formula that we actually use in writing our content online or writing our copy online. You see, all those adverts that you see online, they usually use this formula in writing it. You can see that the other time I was explaining that this one is call to action. I was saying that this one is attention. I was saying that this one is interest. You cannot understand because you don't have the skill. Do you get it now? So when you learn copywriting skill, you will know the lot of formulas that we actually use. Okay, my student that learned article writing skill from me, when I'm talking about formula of writing article, I'm sure they should definitely understand, which is what? Introduction. It is what? Body. It is what? If you know the remaining two, drop it in the comment section of this particular video. If you are one of my students learning or watching this video, the format of writing an article, introduction, body, drop the remaining two in the comment section if you are my student and you still remember the format of writing an article. Just like all these things have a format, copywriting skill also has a format that we usually use to write some things online. If you don't know the format, you can never ever write something of such. And that was what I said the other time when you were watching the video, that you cannot write it. You are just thinking you can write it, but you cannot write it because there is a knowledge behind us that is making us to write all those things. Part of the formula that copywriting has is the AIDA formula. We call it attention, interest, desire, call to action formula. If you don't know how to use the formula, you can never make money on it. You can never use it. You can never use it to write a copy to support your advertising online. Another formula you can use is what we call the PAS formula. Another one we can use is the 4Cs formula. Another one that we can still use is BAB formula. You see, all these formula, they have their meaning. And apart from the fact that they have their meaning, there is a way we usually use them when we are writing our content in support of our marketing of our product or knowledge or skill or service to people. If you include those formula in your write-up, or you even include those formula to create your video, or you even include those formula to create your flyer, believe me, people that are going to be watching it, they are going to take action. That simply means that what? They are going to do everything you want them to do for you. But if you don't have all this knowledge, think about it. How can you sell this thing that you are holding that you said you want to have? You want to sell. You can never do it. You need to learn the right thing. So now the next thing that this copywriting skill is going to be doing for you, it will let you to understand how to build your community of interested buyers. Let me quickly show you something in my own community.